How to customize YouTube TV live guide. Let's get started. First, log into your YouTube TV account, either on computer or a mobile device. Then click on the profile icon. Go to settings and then select live guide. Now you'll see a list of available channels. To create your custom guide, check or uncheck channels you want to appear. Drag and drop them into the order you prefer. When you are done customizing, don't forget to hit save. Otherwise, a new layout won't appear. Now go to your TV or streaming device. On the live guide screen, tap the three horizontal lines above the channel list. Select Custom Guide. This will load the personalized layout you just created. And that's it, you have successfully customized your YouTube TV live guide. Cleaner, faster, and tailored to what you actually watch. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.